Today we will learn about force and motion. First things first, force is a push or pull to make an object move. It is measured in Newton. 1 Newton is the amount of force that you need to move a 1 kilogram object by 1 meter per second per second. So, force can make things move or stop. It can also make things speed up or slow down. And not only that, it can also make objects change their shape or the direction of their motion. But for now, we will only focus on moving, stopping, speeding up, and the slowing down of objects. We will use this simulation app developed by the University of Colorado. First, I will show how to make things move. Here is a 50 kilogram box on a skateboard. Suppose we apply 56 newtons to push it toward the right and observe what happens. It starts moving, and the longer it is being pushed, the faster it moves. And you can see this by observing that speed meter shows an increasing speed. So applying a 56 Newton force on a 50 kilogram mass moves it at a speed that increases by 1.12 meters per second at every second. In other words, the object moves with an acceleration of 1.12 meters per second per second. I'll attach a link on how I solve the acceleration. Do you know that acceleration is how much the speed is increasing? So this means that the speed of the object increases by 1.12 meters per second every second. This shows how force is applied to make things move and go faster. Now let's explore how to stop and slow down moving things. I will add 1 red man and 1 blue man to pull a cart of candies in opposite directions. Observe what happens if they exert equal forces of 50 newtons each. The cart will not move because the forces in opposite directions are balanced. We initially started with a balanced force. Adding an additional red man produces an unbalanced force, which means that the opposite forces are not equal. In this case, it is expected that the object moves toward the direction of the greater force, which is to the red man, to the right. To stop the motion, we have to balance the force by increasing the blue team for it to be strong enough to resist the pull of the red team. This can be done by first making the force of the blue team greater than the force of the red team, and then we eventually decrease it to achieve a balanced force, hence stopping motion. So why doesn't it stop right away as soon as the forces are balanced? Answer: it is because of inertia. Inertia is what makes objects fight a new force. So even though the forces are equal, the cart still keeps moving until it slows down. Some of the forces that cause inertia are friction, resistance, and gravity. Resistance, and gravity. That's about force and motion. Bye!